Good morning, students. Now we will start with our video number 2 of chapter number 5. And today we will study about the land of our country. In this chapter, we will study about different types of landforms. I'll show you in the pictures also. Now, look at the pictures. Yes. You all are aware about these? Yes, these are mountains and hills. And these are, yes, plains. And this is an island. And what is this? Yes, this is plateau. And what is this? This is desert. Yes. Now we will study about these one by one. Is it clear to you? Yes. Now look at the map. I'll show you in the map also. This is, you all are aware about the directions: north, south, west, east. So India is stretched, I will tell you, from Kashmir to the Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to अरुणाचल प्रदेश. यहाँ से यहाँ तक और वेस्ट में से इधर ईस्ट तक, गुजरात से अरुणाचल प्रदेश तक. Is it clear? Now look at the boat. I'll show you. Yes. And tell you. India is located in the southern part. You all are aware, or should I show you that India is located in the southern part? Yes. Now look at the map. This is Asia and India is located in the southern part of, yes. Is it clear? Now it extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. I have already told you that from here to till here. Yes, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The surface of our country is not the same everywhere. हर जगह जो हमारी लैंड है वो सेम नहीं है. At some places it is high and at other places it is flat. Yes, I have shown you in the pictures also. At some places it is high. कहीं पर ये ऊंचे पहाड़ हैं और कहीं पर फ्लैट एरियाज हैं. And some areas are covered with sand. और कुछ एरिया सैंड से कवर्ड हैं, like deserts. Thus, the main features on the lands are, oh, you all are aware about the features? Yes. What are the features? Yes, hills, mountains, plains, plateaus and deserts. These all are the features. So, first of all, we will study about hills and mountains. So, first of all, we will study about the topic hills and mountains. Is it clear? The areas which are higher than the surrounding areas are called hills. Means जो एरिया, सराउंडिंग एरिया, आपके सराउंडिंग एरियाज में मतलब सपोज in plain areas, yes, plain area land land is a flat. Is it clear to you? जो हायर एरिया होता है उससे ऊंचा, that are called hills. And this is in the picture also. Yes, these are our hills. Is it clear to you? And very high hills. Very high hills. Yes, are you able to see? Very high means जो बहुत ज़्यादा high ऊंची होती हैं पहाड़ियाँ. Yes, these are high mountains. Is it clear to you? Surrounding area से जो higher होता है that is hill. And which are higher than that is mountains. The mountains have steep slopes. The top of the mountain is called peak. Yes, you know ना, top means सबसे ऊंचा, ऊपर जो point होता है that is known as peak. मतलब पहाड़ की चोटियां. Yes. There are high mountain ranges in the northern plains of India. Yes, I'll show you the northern plains also. Yes, the northern part. Here are the mountain ranges. Is it clear to you? These are the Himalayan mountain ranges. It is the highest mountain range. सबसे highest जो ऊंची mountain range है पूरी हमारी world में. Yes. Most of the peaks in the Himalayas are more than 8,000 meters high. Yes. ज़्यादातर जो है वो 8,000 से higher they are. Yes. And Mount Everest in Nepal. I'll show you the picture of Mount Everest also. Yes, this is the Mount Everest in Nepal. Yes, is the highest mountain peak in the Himalayan mountains. Yes. And this is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is at number 1, means the first highest peak in the world. Most of the mountain peaks in the Himalayas remain covered with snow throughout the year. पूरे year, full year, ये क्या रहती हैं? Snow से covered रहती हैं. Is it clear? Yes, ये पहाड़ है जो पूरे साल बर्फ से covered रहते हैं. Is it clear? There are low mountains or hills. I have shown you the low mountains and hills in the central and northern part of India. Now the Vindhya and the Satpura ranges are in the central part of India. Yes, number of rivers. Yes, these are snow covered mountains, and when the snow melts. Now tell me, when you froze ice in the freezer, and if you take it out from the freezer, what happens? It melts. Why does it melt? Just because of the temperature is hot. In the same way, when the rays of the sun fall on these snow covered mountains, the snow melts and converts into water. After they convert into water, what happens? They convert into rivers and originate from the hills and mountains in India. The rivers which originate from the Himalayan mountains. Those are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Kosi. The rivers originating from the central highland are Chambal, Betwa, Son and Narmada. All these rivers are originating from the high mountains. Is it clear to you? So, let's end with this topic, hills and mountains. And in next video, I'll teach you about plains.